Need peer-reviewed sources for your assignment? UVic Libraries can help. Keep watching to learn about the steps in the peer review process, the purpose of peer reviewing sources, and how to find peer-reviewed articles. Peer-reviewed sources are scholarly sources that have undergone the peer review process. Peer-reviewed journals exist for all academic disciplines and are increasingly the main way in which researchers and academics share and publish their research. So what does the peer review process involve? Sources published in peer-reviewed journals began as manuscripts that were submitted by the author or researcher to the editor of that journal. The editor reviews the submission to ensure that it meets basic requirements before assigning one or more subject area experts to act as peer reviewers. Often this process is double-blind, meaning that the peer reviewers do not know the identity of the author and the author does not know the identity of the peer reviewers. These expert researchers evaluate the submissions on, among other things, the quality of the writing and methodology, the originality and/or significance of the research, and the accuracy and reliability of the findings. There are a number of possible outcomes of the peer review process. The article may be rejected outright, meaning that the journal is opting not to publish it. This does not necessarily mean that the article is poor quality, however. Many well-regarded journals have high submission rates and exceedingly high standards for publication. Therefore, any submission that is not among the best of the best is rejected. In many cases, the article's author is provided with feedback and recommendations from the reviewers, and these improvements are made before the article is accepted for publication or resubmitted for further consideration. It is unusual for a paper to be accepted for publication after the first round of the peer review process. Almost all researchers have had to make revisions to their submissions before they are published in a peer-reviewed journal. Ultimately, peer-reviewed research is important because it assures other researchers that the research is reliable and can be trusted. Peer-reviewed journals allow those researching and studying a topic to keep up with developments in the field and can therefore be incredibly useful for students when completing assignments. Here are some strategies for finding peer-reviewed sources for your research assignments. Try filtering your search results to include only peer-reviewed sources. When searching in Summon, select the peer-reviewed filter on the left. Many, but not all databases allow you to filter your results this way as well. In a database such as PsycInfo, look under the search options and check the box for peer review. Have questions? Email askus@uvic.ca. We are here to help.